Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney who focuses on birth injuries throughout the country. I'm continuing my series on birth injuries with series 4, which is brachial plexus injuries, or Erbs palsy. First, what is Erbs palsy and how does it happen? Erbs palsy refers to paralysis or weakness of the arm caused by damage to the brachial plexus, which is the bundle of nerves running through the neck and through the shoulder and into the arm. In a typical case, the baby can't move the shoulder and elbow well. The arm might hang at the side, and the baby can't lift or bend it. Though hand and finger movements might be preserved if only the upper nerves are involved. This injury usually occurs in the context of a difficult delivery with shoulder dystocia. That's when a baby's shoulder gets stuck behind the mother's pelvic bone after the head's already been delivered. If the delivery provider must exert traction pulling on the baby's head and neck to free the shoulder, it can stretch and tear the delicate nerves. Risk factors for this scenario include a larger than average baby, maternal diabetes, prolonged labor, or breech at delivery. However, Erbs palsy isn't always predictable. It can happen even in some C-section deliveries or smaller babies if the positioning leads to a stretch. The incidence is roughly 1 to 3 out of every 1,000 leg births. When these nerves are stretched, the injury can range from neuroproxia, which is a mild stretch or shock to the nerve that usually heals, to neuroma, which is a scar tissue damage to the nerve root, or avulsion, the nerve is torn from the spinal cord, a severe injury. This classic Erbs palsy involves nerves from C5, C6, and sometimes C7 nerve roots, affecting muscles of the shoulder and upper arm. Another type, clumps palsy, involves the lower roots, C8 to T1, and can affect hand function, but that is rarer in birth injuries. If you have a child that's been affected by this condition and you're considering your legal options, it's a good idea to just call an attorney and, like myself, who handles birth injuries, because we can review your records and determine if you have a viable claim. If you do, we can sit down with you and explore your legal options and show you the road path forward to a potential recovery for you and your family moving forward. Again, these can be very helpful. Compensation can help you, attain care for your child long term and can give you peace of mind that the needs of your child will be taken care of for many years in the future. If you would like to do that consultation, I'm always happy to help. You can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.